I mean, market outlook. Right now, we're experiencing absolute FOMO rally in the markets. All the people who were waiting to get back in just had no patience of getting back in. We're seeing chasers chase and bid this market higher and higher. I mean, we're seeing exuberance over the reopening of the economy, things like that. And this stock market has just gone parabolic the last virtually 3 weeks. It's pretty market wide. You know, a couple weeks ago it was more tech names. Now we're seeing the more cyclical names. The airlines have started to come back. You know, restaurant stocks, all of that thing. So, you know, this rally. I mean, we need to slow down, but I mean, this could be the start of of a continued rally in my eyes.
Yeah, Shake, if you want to pull up the first chart on the email.
Rebalance zone.
Yeah. Yeah. So you get like, and just what you reiterated, I kind of drew like the bigger trend line that we've been on, like sport wise, than the last 2 weeks. You mentioned how steeper it's gotten. And it just seems like for all the major markets and major sectors, it's just been a race back to the prior highs as if, nothing had happened. So for us, it's been great to just kind of sit and hold a lot of positions that we've had. And again, this is reiterating everything said. When everyone else try to chase, we're just kind of sitting and holding what we got.
You're right. I haven't pressed the button the last 2 days. I'm just trying to sit in longs, and just try to not do too much right now. Just sit and fucking have my stops and just try to not overthink it so that I can stay in the move. Because if I start overthinking it, start trying to get too cute and tricky with, stops and things like that, I'll probably get shaken out, and then I'll be like killing myself for not making any money when the market's going straight up. So, just trying to kind of sit long and strong right now.
Yeah, definitely agree with that one. And if you want, we'll do another quick little rebalancing lesson. I know a few of the guys kind of appreciated it last week, so we'll do a quick little 1 minute recap on that. So Shake, I'm going to pull up the next chart. That would be VCR.
What's up?
Okay. So again, we spoke last week about rebalancing. We'll touch upon it again. So again, the main focus, we want to be locking in profits in the winning stocks or sectors. So for this one, for VCR, it's taken out it's in a new all-time high. So we're going to be letting some off, taking some gains off in VCR, and then moving our stop up. So for VCR, for the members that are still in it, we have a stop first 205 in it. And then as we sell some in this, Shake's going to pull VDE. This would be we're taking the funds from VCR, and then we're adding to VDE. Now VDE we've been buying, pretty much all March and April up through 52 is kind of our last buy, but hopefully you get an idea of, as the sectors that are getting back to new highs, we're taking some of those off, and the ones that have kind of been behind or lagging like VDE, we're putting the money back to work there, and we're repeating that process of locking in profits and then putting them back to work in sectors that are not, as far extended as the others. So hopefully that little lesson helped.